Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT in billet metallic with black cloth interior, seating for 7. This has stow and go seating and a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It's also got an automatic transmission. And you have the third row seating, which also folds into the floor. It's really easy to get into this van. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And you have the rear venting windows. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and it has hands-free dialing, as well as your dash controls and cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see the odometer reading, as well as any important messages. And then you can toggle through for different options. You have an automatic shifter. In the center, you have your media controls, AM, FM, as well as satellite. You also have a CD player and different options, as well as your auxiliary line in is located there, volume and tuner. And then below you have your climate control with AC. There's your fan and the temperature, front and rear defrost, econ, hazard lights, traction control. There's a little cubby as well. You've got a bin that slides out that has cup holders. Down below, another little bin area with a couple of 12-volt outlets. In the center you have cup holders and bins, armrests for both driver and passenger, and you have two glove compartments. The lower one is locking. Up above you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting control, as well as sunglass holder, and you can push it 3/4 of the way so you can see what's going on in the back. You have that little mirror, and there's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, driver's side fuel cap. In the back you have a little bit of a spoiler, as well as a windshield wiper, and then when you're ready to open up that back hatch, you simply put your hand under the middle D in Dodge, and there's a little handle there, and clip it. In the back I've got one of the seats down and the other one up. It's a 60-40 split, so they stow right into the floor, and you'll notice that there's tabs. They're numbered 1 through 4, so you just follow that to put it down there and then reverse it to bring it back up. You've got bins off to the side and lots of room, and then when you're ready to bring it all down, you've got a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. There are rear sliding doors on both passenger and driver's side for easy entry. Simply pull the handle and pull back. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in, and in the second row you have captain seats. They have armrests, and so what you can do to bring it out of the way is just pull the latch and it'll pop it right out. You now have access to the third row with a 60-40 split, and there's our couple of cup holders and a bin as well to put items. And then when you want to bring the seat back down, simply push the back of it. It'll clip into place, and then lift up the back seat and the headrest, and it's in the regular seated position. And this does have armrests. I've just put them up to fold it for you. And in the floor you have stow and go seating. So those panels fold right up, and then the seat goes right into the floor, and that gives you lots more room. There's also mesh netting on the back of the front seats for extra storage, and up above you have handles, hooks, and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.